6 утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания.
You were right. Strength in this life, happiness in the next.
У камина в 6 утра.
Please forgive me, Mother.
There is nothing to forgive.
Твои обещания.
My son.
Пустота.
My son.